Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Diana and today we are going to be talking about planners. Now, I'm not an expert planner. Okay, I actually struggle with my planning, but hopefully I can help some people who also struggle with their planning. So I'm a huge planner enthusiast, okay? Throughout the years, I've bought many planners and I've failed many times to keep up with them. It's not an easy thing to do, especially if you're a beginner. But I am committed to keep my planner this year, and I've found a few ways to help me stay consistent with my planning. And I'm gonna share those with you because hopefully it can help you get a planner and stick to it. Get yourself a planner, okay? It doesn't have to be your favorite planner. It doesn't have to be the best planner, the most aesthetically pleasing planner that you can find. Just a planner that works for your specific needs. Some people like the vertical layout. Some people like the day-to-day layout that lists out every single time from 6 a.m. to midnight because they like to plan every single moment of every single day. In my specific case, I have the horizontal layout. I really enjoy the horizontal layout. Next tip for beginners is to get yourself a sticker pack. So this is the Happy Planner Digital Detox Sticker Pack. A lot of these sticker packs are really cool because they have words of encouragement. They also have really cute aesthetic designs, and that could help you create a really cute, aesthetically pleasing planner, and it could motivate you, at least it's motivated me, to write in it because it has some super cute stickers. It also has some guided prompts. This guided prompt actually gives you weekly challenges, and one of them says, this week's challenge: choose an evening this week to turn off your phone and any other digital devices from 5 p.m. until you wake up in the morning. And then it has a little like reflection spot there for you to write about how that little challenge helped you in the day. Now, this is the digital detox sticker pack, but they do have ones that are to help you with your groceries, to help you with your bills. They have fitness stickers, they have wellness stickers, they have all sorts of stickers that are gonna help you customize your planner experience. The thing that has helped me stay consistent with my planner is these markers. So these markers are from Mr. Pen. They are the 0.4 millimeter point, and they have so many colors, as you can see. So I don't really do anything super fancy. All I really do is I like to write out things in different colors. I think throughout my journey and my process, I would love to color code certain things, group things into categories, but that's a little bit advanced and I'm not even there yet. So what I do like is to put different events and different to-do lists in different colors, and it just brings me a little more joy and it motivates me to actually want to use my planner. So a lot of the content that I've come across YouTube is really aesthetically pleasing journals with a lot of stickers, a lot of typography, very talented, beautiful people who really take their journaling to the next level. A tip from me to you is just write it down, okay? Just take a pen, take a pencil, and write down your to-do list, write down your thoughts, what you want to do for the day, whatever it is that you want to plan out, just write it down, and don't think too much about how aesthetically pleasing that journal or that planner is, because you want to keep in mind the functionality of it. You want to keep in mind that your journal, or your planner rather, is a productivity tool. So you want to use it to get your appointments scheduled, to make sure that you do things that you've been procrastinating on. You want to make sure that you're writing down those things and that you're actually accomplishing them. That is the sole purpose of a planner, to really think about what you have going on in the day or the week or the month and accomplish it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video helped you out, especially if you're learning how to plan, or this might be your first planner, or this might be your first serious planner. I really hope that these simple tips can help you be consistent with your planning journey. And also remember, don't be too hard on yourself. The fact that you already have a planner and that you're wanting to learn a little more tips on how to keep up with it is good enough. So thanks again for watching. I really hope that this video added some value into your life. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.